In this video, I'll show you how to use Lovable Chat Mode. First, open your web browser, go to the Lovable website, and sign into your account. Then open an existing project or create a new one. Next, locate the chat panel in the editor. This is where you'll communicate with Lovable using natural language. Click inside the message box and describe what you want to build or change. Be as specific as possible by explaining the features, layout, colors, functionality, or user experience you want. Now, send your prompt and wait while Lovable analyzes your request. It will generate code, update your project, or make the requested changes automatically. Once the changes are complete, review your app to see the results. After that, continue the conversation by asking Lovable to refine the app. You can request new features, redesign parts of the interface, fix bugs, improve performance, connect integrations, or explain the code it generated. Chat mode keeps the conversation going, so you can build your app step by step without starting over. Finally, test your application after each update to make sure everything works as expected. When you're satisfied with the results, publish your app to make it available online. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Lovable Chat Mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.